Now and then it's plentiful and crumbs are very few. As I wear the things and spread them through a mansion window blue. And I've been on a golden gate, the sweet love song she heard. Stand by a pet canary there, a handsome yellow bird. He said to her, Miss Sarah, I've been struck by Cupid's arrow. Will you share my cake with me? She looked up at his castle, with its ribbons and its tassels, and his laces so steady. Goodbye, little yellow bird, I gladly mate with you. I love you, little yellow bird, but I love my freedom too. So goodbye, little yellow bird, I'd rather brave the cold on a leafless tree than a prisoner be in a cage of gold. Goodbye, little yellow bird, I'd gladly mate with you. I love you, little yellow bird, but I love my freedom too. So goodbye, little yellow bird, I'd rather brave the cold on a leafless tree than a prisoner be in a cage of gold.